Good morning, friends. Today I have the 10 D with me, and it is the variant of 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage. To keep watching this video and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's unbox it. We will open this box. Keep this box aside. We will get the main unit. Give quick start guides, sim ejector tool, and a micro USB cable, and here we have the power adapter, which is, you can see the rating of it. Keep this aside, and we will now boot this device. So I will give the specifications here. The 10 comes with a 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage. It has a camera of 13 megapixel autofocusing rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. It has a fingerprint scanner. You can see here. Speakers are. The build quality is good. We'll skip it. Next. Next. Skip. Add a fingerprint pattern. And fingerprint sensor is very good. Yes, done. More. Agree. All set. Next. To continue the skip for now. And now this is Redmi. It is defeating the Redmi Note 5. We will take a quick snaps of this. Opening the camera. Auto mode. The shutter speed is very fast in this. It has a Snapdragon 425 Qualcomm's processor, quad core processor, and we will portrait, but this is not that portrait mode. HDR, we have a HDR mode in it. Oh, the snap gallery. The picture quality is very nice for this price range. You can see my fingerprint over here. The quality is very nice. I liked it. You will get to experience the pure Android on this. We'll have the so let's check the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is very good, and we will get um, the out of 14 GB, the 5.191 GB is used, so we will get around 11 GB of storage. And about phone, it is running on Android Nougat. You can see this, and a security patch of January 1st, 2018. It is very good. So now take some snaps with the front facing camera of it. You can see this. It is very good quality. The quality is very good for this price segment, and it has all Google apps like the pure Android and Amazon. It is crafted for Amazon. You can see here 10 or logo. For upside it is 10.3.5 mm jack over here, and down the USB port, micro USB port over here, SIM tray, volume rockers, and power on off button. So let's see the SIM tray. It has we'll see now. You can put two SIMs and one micro SD card. It is a very good. You can expand the storage, and the overall it has a Gorilla Glass and the fingerprint sensor. Now you see the fingerprint sensor. It's very fast and you will like it. So thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, man. Bye bye.